punches by Todd, setting him up for a power bomb. Oh my God! He power bombed him.
Second, he's holding him up.
And HT. Oh,
takes
my
him out.
God!
Wait a second, he's got that kendo stick again.
Oh my God! Right over the head. And Excalibur X-Box. Todd just hit Henry.
Wait a second,
He's
here
setting it up.
comes.
Here it comes. Oh, pile drive.
Still doesn't go down. Look at this. On a DDT. Uh-oh. Rig out the chair. Oh, man. For this inter-federational matchup. Look at this.
Come on, Ozzy!
Oh, man. Excalibur. Ozzy's laid out again. Ray Riley coming off the ropes. What's he going for? Right over the top ropes and a splash over the top ropes. Oh, man. Ray Riley and Excalibur.